actually, Dan, I just want to focus on one of the things that you said before, because we kind of went by it quickly, which is that you didn't have to actually get in and modify the code for that integration, right? If you've been to our presentations before, you've seen us say this for years, right? That our philosophy is that we want to use the right tool for the job, right? So if we're doing API logic, we're going to do that in a language like JavaScript or TypeScript because those languages are designed for that task. So they're going to do much more sophisticated integrations with a lot less code than for example, trying to do it directly in RPG. The hurdle that we've seen a lot of companies struggling with, which I think is totally understandable, is okay, you're adding, if you want to use the right technology for the job, that means you actually have to know how to use the other technology, right? You have to know how to use multiple technologies. And one of the really powerful things here with the whole AI revolution that's been going on is the ability to work in languages that you don't necessarily know or are not necessarily an expert in. And so I just wanted to make sure to focus on that's something that Dan did here, right? Dan is not a JavaScript programmer. But
actually, Dan is not a programmer.
But he can build this, right? And that's I think very powerful in that means that we can use the right tool for the job, even if we don't necessarily have any experience with that particular tool.